In Airflo, we manufacture fly fishing lines. Surface finish is really important. If you have a poor surface finish on the line doesn't carry as far and is not as accurate. The surface roughness was basically just checked by the operator by hand. So working with the university, what we tried to do is convert a feel into a unit of measurement. So microns. The system uses a laser to shine at the surface of the product as it runs past a camera. The university have written an algorithm then which converts that to microns.
It's really brilliant that with the technology that we've provided for Airflo Fishing Products, they are keeping jobs and produce higher quality fishing lines. That's also helping the Welsh economy.
Quality control obviously is money to a manufacturer. Airflo had a unique problem, and there was nothing commercially on the market that a company like ourselves could integrate and it would give Airflo a solution. It had to be something that was done from research. So without the University of South Wales, this project would not have got off the ground at all.